Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to add your assets that you use every time you edit your videos and add them to a file inside Camtasia. This way, you'll have them ready to go anytime you want. And this way, you don't have to go searching through all your files every 5 minutes or every time you go do a video. Now, in this particular case, it's so easy, so simple, you'll be surprised at how easy it actually is. It's going to save you so much time when it comes to editing your videos. Okay guys, before we go ahead and do that, just to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. Now, if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. So let's go check it out now. Hey guys, welcome back. In this part of the video, we're going to be having a look at how we can actually add assets to this permanently in Camtasia. Now, if you use the same assets every week, say for example, you have the same logos, you have the same intros, you have a lot of things that you use that are the same in every single video to maintain consistency, what you need to actually do is you need to go over here and let's say import some files. Now, I already have a file ready and open here, and these are generally assets that I always use. Say for example, the bell icon, I always put that in there. I'm going to put that in the media bin, and I often use my call out, so I'm going to put that in the media bin. I'm also going to use a mouse click, which I often use. I always use my end screen one so as to show other people. Now I've started using my heart, which I'm going to be using there. I'm going to add this one here, which is a like button. And also with the like button, I often use the popping sound with that as well. And there's also my subscribe button and my intro. Now these are usually about all I use. Now let's go get rid of this for 1 second. Now these are the assets that I use every single video. Now what I need to do to be able to save this inside Camtasia so I don't always have to go looking for them all the time is all I need to do is go over here. Say for example I want to put it bell. I just go right click and then I go add to library. Now this is going to put this in a folder here and it's going to say default. So I'm going to suggest leave it in default and you go there. And as you can see, it's put it back in there. It's put it into the default section. And in just a minute, I'll show you once we do all these, I'm going to go add to library, hit OK. Now I'm going to see if I can do something. And that is by pressing down Control, I'm going to click on that, scroll down, click on that, and that. And with this, I'm going to right click and hit add to library and go OK. And as you can see, they are importing them across to the library. Now let's have a look at how many have gone across. It appears they've all gone across. Now, to be able to find them, you'll ordinarily be in this particular one where you have all your music tracks and all your intros and your lower thirds and things like that. But to find that, all you need to do is go over here and hit default. And you can go there. Now, if you wish to, you can also create your own library as well. But I think for me, these are the things I use all of the time. Now, if I want to be able to create a video, all I need to do is have this set up, ready to go. And it's just a matter of going to my library, going down to default, and here are my assets that I can now put into my timeline whenever I need them. Really simple, really easy, and they are going to be there permanently now. So if I was to click away from Camtasia, excuse my desktop, yes, we want to save that, and we're going to get rid of that. Actually, no, I don't need to save it. Nope, I don't need to save it because it's now saved in my Camtasia regardless. Let's click on that. I'm going to open up my Camtasia. Yes, I am a Flash fan. Bit of a geek here. That's okay. Let's wait for this to wake up. And once it's done this, we can then It's taking a little bit of time. Here we are. Okay, I'm going to go new project just to show you. Now as you can see, it's not there. Now let's go over here to library. Let's go to default, and there we are. We went straight to default. So we're in default, and there are all of our assets that we can put into our timeline whenever we need them. Say for example we want to put our intro there. There it is, straight away, ready to go. Awesome. Okay, so it is as simple as that, as easy as that. And guys, thanks for watching. And look, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.